Let's get the fan onto this. So there we go about that. Sorry about the noise in the background. So now we just gotta put these ones on here, cut a few pieces that's gonna go here, and weld it all together. And then we are basically done. No, not really. We still got to hook up the electronics and everything and build a stand for it. So I'm not gonna show you my terrible welds, but we'll be back once it's done. So well, sorry for the lack of welding, but yeah, you didn't miss anything. So well, the thing I'm worried about is maybe I need some more flat bars there, but otherwise we're just gonna deal with the electrical stuff. I'm gonna let this heat up because it's cold. Ooh, that's a terrible weld. And then we're gonna build another foot, of course, because I thought it would be enough, but it's not. So anyway, let's leave it at that for a moment and we'll be back. Well, we're back with a bunch of the digital stuff. You know, the electrons. Anyway, so right now the engine is connected in Y mode or star mode or whatever you want to call it, but since the frequency drive we're running is one phase, it's probably only gonna leave 230 volts at each phase output. We will just shift to 90 degrees. So at the Y mode it expects 400 volts per between phases, and we're not gonna have that, so we're gonna have to connect it up as delta instead. And that explains why this motor got incredibly hot and seemed like a phase was missing the last time I tried to run it with that thing. So that should be a lot better now, at least, I hope. So well, there we go. Let's see. Everything's as it should be there. Well, let's see. I forgot how this thing works. Yeah, that's dusty. I'm just gonna try flipping the rotation here and see what happens. Yeah, it was definitely spinning the wrong way. Ouch. Yeah, this is gonna work. A bit too well, I might think. So we have stepless control. That's always nice, and I'm gonna figure out what these things do and see if we can get a potentiometer to it and get it adjustable that way, I think. But first we're gonna test it, and then we're gonna build a nice cover and some protection for this, and yeah, basically a whole bunch of stuff. So well, we're outdoors for a test run. Hopefully this thing's gonna give some heat because it is cold. So well, there we go. It actually works. And that cover I said that we need for the motor is definitely needed. Definitely gonna put safety glasses on the list of the must listing. Right there we're running 15 hertz out of 50 possible, and we're not going to be able to run much more because the pieces of coal will just fly out of it by then. But we're not gonna do any blacksmithing today because I don't have anything that even resembles an anvil. So well, I burnt up every last bit of charcoal I had, and that didn't help. And I'm just guessing that I'm not giving it enough air, so I'm just gonna have to move further away from cars and everything and give it another try, but or perhaps get some stone coal or something. But for now we're gonna continue with the build of the protection and all those stuff, and just make it make it a bit safer and protect all the electronics. But so far I'm gonna say this is sort of like a success. So I'm gonna get an anvil or a piece of railway or whatever, and then this project is going to be revisited.